what is the least common multiple of 36 and 45? So to do this, I need to do factor trees for 36 and 45. So my factor tree for 36, well, I know that two numbers that times to give it are 6 and 6, and the two numbers that times to give that are 2 and 3. I'm not going to turn it into index form because I'm going to be using these shortly. So I've got 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. I also need to do this for 45. So 45 is 9 times 5, 5's prime, and 9 is 3 times 3. So 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this in a Venn diagram. So got my Venn diagram, and in the one I'm going to have the prime factors of 36, and in the other I'm going to have the prime factors of 45. So there's only 2's in 36, and there's 2 of those 2's. There's 2 3's in both 36 and 45, so I'm going to put those 3's in the middle. And then there's a 5 in 45. So, the highest common factor is the one that's just in the intersection. Highest common factor is a number that goes into both. So that is anything that's included in this intersection here. So the highest common factor is 3 times 3, which is 9. So that we've answered part B first. The lowest common multiple is a number that's in both of their times tables. And to find that using the Venn diagram, we multiply everything in the Venn together. So we're going to be doing 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 9 is 180. So my lowest common multiple is 180, and my highest common factor is 9.